SOFTGEL 320p and 400p machines with 2 cylinders for 2 flavours and 1 mixed flavour or soft ice cream or frozen yogurt. The cylinders are fed by 2 pressurization pumps which are rinsed by the passage of water and don't need to be disassembled daily. The electronic controls allow to manage different functions, temperature and overnight conservation of a mix, as well as the consistency of a dispensed product. With 14 litres times 2 storage tanks of a mix, the independent electronics controls and refrigeration for each cylinders allow the use of mixes of different kinds. The machines can operate with one single cylinder, leaving the other one inactive. The machines are fitted with mixing beaters for the reserve mix and minimal level controls of a mix. Counter model 320p and flow model 400p twin with high production capacity are available.